It is almost Memorial Day and it's time to plant. Get these peas started, and we like to start them in 80-degree water for 24 hours. That helps them swell up and gives them a big jump start when we throw them in the ground. We've already had our big cold snap for the year, and hopefully we'll be ready to plant for next week. But for now, we're gonna get these peas going and get them planted out this week. It is about 60 degrees, it's warming up fast. It is very nice out. First thing, I have to move this sheep fence so I can put the sheep out in the upper pasture up there. So let's get this cleaned up. These guys, their noses poking out, are waiting for the fresh grass.
So luminous and vibrant, I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom.
Thank you. Oh. Do you want to go out and play with the sheep in the field? Do you want to go out and play with the sheep in the field? Yeah?
Always in bloom, always in bloom for
you. So as cute as these little guys are, hanging out right over there, it's a matter of time before they find the row of blueberries and remember, oh yeah, we love the way these taste. So we're gonna go put some mesh on them, hopefully save them from getting devoured. This is the row of blueberries. They would be a lot taller, but I keep forgetting to mesh them every year. And they get pretty defoliated and then not too happy with me. They are high bush, so eventually they'll be up above where the sheep can reach, and the sheep will just clean out underneath these, and that'll keep them clean. But we had a nice dry week and a half of spring, so everything except for the peach trees, but the apples, the blueberries, everything else really fruited and got pollinated, so it looks like it'll be a pretty good crop this year. I'm gonna finish buttoning this up, and then we're gonna get back to the peas. Got done doing the peas in the garden. The beds went well. The mayflies started coming out, biting the hell out of us. But UPS showed up, and this weekend we brought in a whole bunch of mushroom spores for the farm stand. This stuff was supposed to get here in time, but didn't. I thought you might like to check it out. Defeated. Got these little guys for the farm store. It's a little animal track identification. Just thought these were cool. We also brought in some mushroom books. Yeah. Thought they'd be cool for people. Also brought this book in. We'll do it right side up. Identification, cooking with. Also very cool. We brought in some of these to do with the mushroom kits. And if you're out foraging, I can't seem to get the box open. Use a knife. These little guys, I think these are around 20 something bucks, not sure. But it's a little pouch. A little measurer. And there should be some other stuff in here. is one of the other companies that I like. It is Old Bear. They've been around not as long as Opinel, and it's got this little safety catch. This is nice. I might have to keep one of these for myself. Clean little knife. What else do we have? These are a little bit nicer. A little mushroom on it. Maple spalded? No, not spalded. Tiger's eye maple or something like that. It looks like antler for the end pieces. This is also very nice. So I suppose you could use this as like a neck lanyard, or just put it right on your belt, which is how I would do it. We'll have these guys and the books this weekend at the farm stand, and I'll probably put them online too, in case you're just seeing them and you're interested in them. All right, guys, finish this video up with planting of the peas tomorrow morning. Two inches of compost down the whole row.
I've been acting like a wild man, sleeping like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant. I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in bloom for you. So many times I've stranded, a castaway on unknown shore, although a stranger in this continent. I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in bloom for you.
Thanks for sticking around. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe. We'll get the rest of these beds done. I have to finish mulching this up today, and then it'll be on to the rest of the planting throughout the week. We'll see you in the garden.